Our digestive system. Food is our fuel, and its nutrients give our body cells the energy and substances they need to operate. But before food can do that, it must be digested into small pieces the body can absorb and use. The digestive system consists of the parts of the body working together that help turn food and liquids into the building blocks and fuel the body needs. The mouth is where the digestive tract begins. Enzymes released into the mouth start the process of digestion. Because both food and air move through it, the pharynx is part of both the respiratory and digestive systems. The epiglottis is the small piece of tissue that covers the opening to the larynx and trachea to keep food and liquid out of the lungs when you swallow. The esophagus is a soft muscular tube that moves food from the pharynx to the stomach. The liver is the body's largest internal organ. The liver performs many tasks, including storing energy and helping the body get rid of toxins, poisons. The gallbladder is a small pouch that stores bile. The gallbladder releases bile into the duodenum to help digest fats in the food you eat. The stomach has a lining that's tough enough to hold up in the highly acidic environment needed to break down food. Pancreas. The pancreas makes hormones including insulin to regulate the blood glucose level. It also makes enzymes to break down food in the intestines. Small intestine. The small intestine is called small because of its width, not its length. It's actually much longer than the large intestine. The small and large intestines form one continuous tube. Duodenum. The word duodeni is Latin and means 12 each. The duodenum, which is part of the small intestine, was thought to be about as long as the width of 12 fingers. Jejunum. The jejunum is the middle section of the small intestine and is about 5 to 8 feet 1.5 to 2.5 meters long. Ileum. The ileum is the third and final section of the small intestine. At 16 to 20 feet 5 to 6 meters, it's also the longest. Large intestine. The large intestine consists 3 parts: the cecum, colon, and rectum. Cecum. The cecum is the pouch-like beginning of the large intestine. Colon. The colon is the largest part of the large intestine and has 3 parts: the ascending transverse and descending colon. Rectum. The rectum is the final 6 to 8 inches 15 to 20 centimeters of the large intestine. It stores feces until they leave the body. Appendix. The appendix is attached to the cecum. When it gets inflamed, it's called appendicitis. Anus. The anus marks the exit point of the digestive tract, where feces leave the body.